Then filter in JavaScript. In JavaScript, the filter method is used to create a new array with all elements that pass or test implement, implemented by the provided function. This method is often used to remove unwanted elements from an array based on certain conditions. Syntax. In this syntax, element known as the current element being processed in the array. Index, the index of the current element being processed. Array, the array filter was called on. This arg, a value to use as this when executing the callback. Key points. Filter does not modify the original array. It returns a new array containing only the element that satisfy the conditions specified in the callback function. The callback function should return true to keep the element in the new array or false to exclude it. If no element pass the test, the result will be an empty array. Example 1, filtering numbers greater than 10. Example. In the above example, the filter method creates a new array greater than 10 containing only the numbers that are greater than 10. Here, this is the given array. Here's the new array uh, greater than 10 where we are using filter to filtering the number which are greater than 10 will get stored in this array, and here is the output where the number are greater than 10 are printed. Example 2, filtering an array of objects. You can also use filter to filter an array of objects based on specific properties. For example, here filter returns a new array with only the users who are 30 years old or older. In this example, we have the array of objects named user. We are creating a new array named adults using filters on the existing array where we are uh, fetching the property user.age should be greater than or equal to 30. This will print the property names which are greater than or equal to 30 in the adults. Here is the result printed. It is ID, tree, name, Jack, and so on. Example 3. Filtering out null and undefined values. Here this is the example. In this example, the filter method is used to remove all null and undefined values from the array. This is the given array where null and undefined also mentioned. This is the new array where we are using filter method on mix array by putting value is not equal to null. This will print null values. And this will print not null values. That is console.log none not null values. This will get output 1, 2, 4, and 6. Example 4. Using index and array in filter. You can also use the index and array parameters within the filter callback function. For example, if you want to keep only the even index elements, this is the example for printing only even index. This is the formula index mod 2 equal to 0. This example filters the number array to keep only the elements at even indices. It is 0 to 4. 0 to 4. It is. Yes, we have used with this index. That's why we have get the value from 0, 1, 0, 2, 4. Example 5. Filtering duplicate values. To filter out duplicates from an array, you can combine filter with index of to keep only the first occurrence of each element. Mm. Example, const number. This is the given array that's 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. Const new array that is unique numbers is equal to we are putting filters on this numbers dot filter. Here in parameters we are passing value comma index comma array where array dot index of value is equal to index. Here only we will take the index value that will be equal to their position, that is 1 2 3 0 1 2 3, and we will get the output. When this means the value of index should be equal to the index. Here console.log new array that is unique numbers will print the output 1 2 3 4 5. In this example, index of value returns the index of the first occurrence of value in the array, and we keep the element only its correct index matches the first occurrence. We'll keep. If not, we will leave. Okay. Key difference between filter and other array methods. Filters versus map. Filter creates a new array with element that satisfy a condition, whereas map creates a new array by transforming each element. Map changes the value of the element, while filter only includes or excludes elements based on a condition. Filter versus for each. Filter returns a new array with the elements that satisfy the condition, while for each simply looks over the array and performs side effects. For each does not return anything, while filter always return a new array. When to use filter? When you need to exclude specific elements from an array based on a certain criteria. When you want to create a subset of data that satisfies a specific condition. When working with arrays of objects and need to filter on object properties. Conclusion. The filter method is a great tool for selectively including elements from an array based on a condition. It's commonly used when you need to extract a subset of an array that meets a specific criteria, such as filtering out certain values or finding matching objects. As with other array methods, it does not modify the original array and it always returns a new array. Thanks for watching.